Ayawa. Ayawa. Hey, hello, where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
Guys, Bihar daw. You are from Bihar? Where is that?
Bihar, India.
India. India.
Yeah. Welcome, everybody.
Welcome, guys.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome. You teach Faye. What is your name? Faye or Jam?
It's my Faye. My name is Faye. Guys, grabe na guys. Taro nga nyo guys sa ano ba't madaog ta ha? Taro nga.
Welcome.
Yun,
Welcome,
India,
Faye.
India na siya. What?
Welcome to my life, Faye.
Yeah. And welcome to my live too.
Oh, thank you so much. Where are you from, Faye?
Yeah.
Faye, where are you from?
I am from the Philippines. And how about you? You are from India, right?
Yeah,
You're from
yeah.
India.
Why you do have in your name there is teach? What does it mean? What does it mean?
Oh, teach. Like I teach student.
Oh, is that what you do for a living?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And I teach student.
All right. And right now I'm doing my live, I'm gonna post this in my page, like a highlights, because you are a teacher, like a living hero, you guys are helping the youth now.
Oh yeah. You gonna post it? No, don't post it. People will gonna see me.
Yeah, I don't know. No, it's okay. You're doing great. You're doing great.
You are
This is already recorded, and this is shared already. And right now we have 150 people watching.
Oh, okay, no problem for that one.
Yeah. Can you say hi to them?
Oh, hi. Hi,
Okay,
everyone.
very nice, very nice. Thank you so much, Faye.
Malapit pa man ang
Faye,
Oh,
Faye,
yeah. Yes.
asa ka dapit sa Pilipinas?
Ayawa. Gago. Nayawa lagi. Taga-booking. Buang mo. Naman na ron. Told ya. Lagi otso eh. Yeah, mag-classes ako eh.
Okay, Faye.
Sige, thank you.
Bye-bye. Neri! Hello, Neri!
Okay.
Right.